So hello guys, welcome to Aptitude, and in today's video we are going to learn about averages. So there are two easy ways to calculate average. So the first one is simple average, which is also known as mean, and the second one is deviation method, which is also known as assumed mean. We will be learning both the methods through the examples given below. So the first example says calculate the average of 24, 28, 36 and 44. So in simple average method, we will add all the numbers and we will divide it by the total number. So the total number is 1 2 3 4. That's why I have written as 4. So let's add it. So 24, 28, 36, 44 will give out to me, this will give me 80, and this will give me 40, which is 120, and 8 plus 4 is 12. So it will give me 132, and now we have to divide it by 4. So 132 divided by 4, I can see that the last two digits of 132 is 32, which is divisible by 4. So we will get a perfect natural number. So 132 divided by 4, it will give me 4 3s are 12, again 4 3s are 12. So the average came out to be 33. So let's solve the same thing through deviation method. So in deviation method, what we do is we assume the average first. So let's say I assumed my average to be as 30. So now I have to subtract the average through all the numbers. So 24 minus 30 will give me minus 6. 28 minus 30 will give me minus 2. 36 minus 30 will give me plus 6. And 44 minus 30 will give me plus 14. So now we have to calculate the net difference. So minus 6 and plus 6 will get cancelled out, and minus 2 and plus 14 will give me plus 12. So now we have to divide this plus 12 by total numbers, which is 4, which we did the same thing in simple average method. So here we get 4 ones are 4, 3s are 12. So we got it as plus 3. Now we have to add this plus 3 in my assumed average, because because the number we get is a plus 3. The net average we got is plus 3. So we have to add it in assumed average. So 30 plus 3 will give out to me 33. So it is the same answer which we got through simple average method. So let's see the example number 2. Example number 2 says calculate the average of 100, 112, 128, 136, 144. Same thing we have to do it here also. So simple average method will say that we have to add all the numbers and we have to divide it by the total number. So let's start adding 100, 112, 128, 136, 144. So this will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 580 and 40. So it will give out to me 620. 620 divided by 5. So 5 times 1 za, 5 2 za, 5 4 za. So my average came out to be as 124. So let's solve this same thing through assumed average. So I assumed my average to be as 128. So we will start taking the difference. 100 minus 128 will give me minus 28. 112 minus 128 will give me minus 16. 128 minus 128 will give me 0. 136 minus 128, it is plus 8. 144 minus 128, it is plus 16. So now we have to calculate the net. So minus 16 plus 16 will get cancelled out, and minus 28 and plus 8, it will give us the net as minus 20. So we have to divide this minus 20 by total numbers, which is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the net we got is minus 4. So now the answer is minus 4. So I have to subtract this minus 4 from my assumed average. So my assumed average was 128. So 128 minus 4 will give me 124, which is the same average we got through the simple average method. So both the methods are very easy. If your calculation is very fast, if your additions is very fast, so you can go through simple average method, and if your calculation is slow, you can solve the question through deviation method. So I would recommend, if the numbers are very small, so we can see in example 1 the numbers were very small, so simple average method took lesser time, and in question and in example 2 the numbers were larger, it were above 100. So in example 2 deviation method took lesser time. So my recommendation is, if the numbers are smaller, go through simple average method, and if the numbers are larger, go through deviation method. I hope you guys learned something from today's video. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye bye.